Let the truth of your kingdom reign in us. Let the reign of your glory, let the reign of your glory fall. Let the reign of your glory cover us today. Let the light of your river flow. Let the truth of your kingdom reign in us. Let the reign of your glory, let the reign of your glory fall. Out of my bellies shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out of my bellies shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out of my bellies shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, somebody, sing along. Out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah. Out of my belly, say, out of my belly shall flow rivers, rivers, rivers. Yeah. Out of my belly, say, out of my belly shall flow rivers, out of my bellies, prophesy to yourself, shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out of your business, out of my bellies shall flow rivers, rivers, rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah. Out of my belly, say, out of my belly shall flow, shall flow, shall flow. as the river flows, it begins to bring every dead thing to life. It's a life-living river. Oh, let it flow right here and now. And as the river flows, it begins to bring every darkness to life. Oh, let it flow, let it flow. Right now, as the river flows, everything begins to live again. Bring every darkness to life. Yeah, yeah. As the river flows, as the river flows. Yes, Lord. Oh, come on, let it flow. Let it flow. Let it flow. Let it flow. Oh, let it flow right here. Let it flow, let it flow. Lift up your hands and worship Him. Let it flow, let it flow. Ask the river of life to flow in your life. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow right here. Oh, right now. Oh, right now. The river of life is flowing to you today. The river of healing is flowing to you right now. The river of healing flowing to you now. Oh, This is a spiritual chant. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah.